what's up guys? So yeah, I made a video like 2 days ago. And Colin, I'm gonna do this one now because if I come to school and I said I'm gonna do sell Play-Doh, I don't have $1. So yeah, I need to get some money because remember I told you I'm very poor. Yeah, I'm super poor. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce you to Julie. Well, I was supposed to say, oh, I'm selling Play-Doh, but I need to introduce you to Julie. She's our new dog, and we have 5 dogs now. Jesus Christ, please stop. And when we got her, she was scared as fuck. And she wants to go outside right now, but I can't, because Joey Burger's gonna beat him up. So yeah, back to the, so if Colin sees this, I'm gonna say, these are $1, all of them. So if you bring 1, 2, 3, 4, $5, I'll give you all that. So yeah, yellow, I made this my own, and it didn't come out that much. I mean, it's still squishy, but yeah, my brother took a piece for he to test them out. White's a little hard, so yeah, I'm warning you if you want white. But for you, green is okay. Yeah, he tested each of these, so don't get mad. Oh, you're taking my things. No, they're just tested. There's color white, $1, $1, $1, $1, anything $1, everything $1. So yeah, I'm gonna write the tag. So Colin, if you're gonna watch this video, or Sebastian, or Jordan, or anyone here, whoever watches this video, gonna see I actually have some Play-Doh to do, so I'm gonna write down the tags and I'm gonna see which and I'm gonna raise $5 so I could buy myself an actual meal, or at least I need $4 because I want to buy everyone in my whole family a burger from Wendy's. Yeah, so yeah, just $4. Or one of you guys are nice and buy white. I mean, no one's gonna buy white. No one's gonna come today with $1 and stuff. I hope. Oh yeah, there's Mr. Beanie, Christopher Columbus. He's not growing that little piece of shit. I'm gonna write the price tag. I should write David Play-Doh. Yeah, I made it and I put it in a little box. Wait, I need to look. Wait, what the fuck was that? Yo, that's my dog. Where are you, Chewy? Dude, this Chewy bitch. Hey, you, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing, huh? What the fuck? You wanna go outside? Okay, and I gotta go outside. Should I hide the camera? Okay, I'm gonna give it to my brother, so right now, so she can sleep with my brother. Barney is a dinosaur. It's not about Cheapos, too. Kind of looks like. Oh. Okay. So yeah. Sells. Anyone want some Play-Doh? Come to me. Just $1 each. Any color. Blue, yellow, green, red, and white's a little hard. So yeah.